Yeah. Hey! Jesus Christ, it's my like this.
Rasta, where you go?
You know, so I go over there, yard door. You see?
Go do a Rasta.
Yo, me I go over there, so my princess, but if send me some money, I mean, I'm no hot spot, you see? So me I go over there, so go get some hot spot. The old boy yard, you see?
After your boy tell my mother this morning.
Go Rasta, you're not afraid they catch you.
Yo, I have to tell all in grandson about their mama this morning. You see?
Bad man.
I about to go set up on the campus over here.
Alright, go long, Rasta, go
You
long.
see? Yeah.
Your grandfather fit put pass you up on the Wi-Fi, you know.
Yeah, Rose.
Yo, grandfather!
I'll come out there later for somebody shot me in the Rose.
Grandfather!
Hold on, Rose. Grandson!
Grandfather, Rasta boy, come back again! Grandfather! Rasta boy, come back again. Come. Come, grandfather, come.
Yes. I know, princess, but we call I know. The rest of boy? Take the talk on me, you know. Take the talk on me, eh? Hola. What you back? Right, that's I know, you see it? Hola. Look at me bed, you see me chimney.
You Jimmy?
Get me chimney come. Look at me bed.
Under your bed? Or me a come? Grandfather, this thing, man.
No worry yourself, me again. I need for 3 days now. No worry yourself.
Jesus!
Bring it up. Give me it. Give me it backside with a pink clot. But what up? Yeah. Hey! Jesus Christ, it's my like this. I got to kill our old boy. Old boy. Hey boy, come down here. Rest that boy, you look. Ross, grandfather, come. You shouldn't move. Grandson, move for the man. Oh, you run. You shouldn't run. You should have come back. Eh? You shouldn't run.